Hello to all guests and subscribers of the best and most informative channel about life and real estate in Turkey, brought to you by Tolerance Homes. Real estate in Antalya and apartments in Antalya, a guided tour to help you pick a Turkish property to purchase. Today, our episode will tell you all about our offer of a free guided tour, after attending which you will know all about the purchase process, see what is available on the real estate market, get to know Antalya's districts, visit the most promising projects under construction at the moment, learn about the advantages of owning property in Turkey, and of course, get to know all the ins and outs of registering property ownership. Speaking with you now is Tatiana Fidan, the host of this channel, Life in Turkey. The best part will start in a moment. Stay tuned. Tolerance is a leading real estate agency in Turkey with 18 years of experience in the field that operates under a transparent, no hidden commissions policy, unlike many other agencies on the market. This policy lets our clients save their money when purchasing their apartment or villa in Turkey, as well as get the widest range of properties to choose from at minimal prices without any additional costs. Thousands of our clients over the years have become satisfied owners of Turkish properties, and they know that they can trust us in everything. You can watch their customer review videos by clicking right here. Tolerance is not only a real estate agency, but also a managing company of a chain of hotels and apart hotels, which lets us provide our potential clients that are attending the tour with accommodation for free, as well as effectively manage your property in case you are buying it as an investment and are planning to rent it out in your absence. So, what does our free tour start with? Let us use Antalya in this case and start going in order. You can view complete information about our properties all across Turkey by visiting this site, tolerance-homes.ru, or by contacting us at this number. After you contact us, our specialists will pick some properties that they believe will suit you and your family best, after consulting you, of course. Our goal is to get to know you and your needs and pick the perfect place for you. After we confirm the details of this tour, the dates, and the selected properties, we will be more than happy to meet you at the Antalya airport. Also, if you decide on visiting some other region, we will of course help with accommodation and viewing properties. We have offices in many other cities in Turkey. Let us carry on and explain exactly what this tour encompasses. We are currently at the Antalya airport, where our first meeting with you would be taking place. You, as in our clients and customers of Tolerance who booked and came for a guided tour of properties of your choice. You will be greeted by us, we will hold a sign with your name, and the first thing we will do is take you to either an apartment or a hotel in a luxury car where you will be staying for free for 3 days. This tour is completely free with no obligations. Everything is honest, transparent, and fair. Even if you do not end up purchasing a property, you will not have to pay us back for anything. Or, if you end up deciding on a specific property, we will extend your stay at the hotel or apartment by 1 week, while the documentation and property ownership registration is taking place. After the airport, you're taken straight to your hotel. This fantastic hotel is called Golden Orange, located in Antalya's best district, Konyaaltı Gürsu, only a mere 100 meters away from the beach, in close proximity to beautiful promenade area, cafes, restaurants, and parks. Let us see the place itself, its infrastructure. A restaurant serving breakfast and lunch, a pool, a large green area, and then the actual rooms themselves, where the guests would be staying. Standard rooms are meant for 2 guests, and the maximum number of people it can fit is 3 people. We can also offer our clients the option to stay at an amazing apartment in our apart hotel, which is also located in the Konyaaltı district. Our potential customers usually pick the apartment option in order to have the first-hand experience of living in an apartment in Antalya. If you pick the apartments, for 3 days you will be able to walk to the beach, enjoy a casual swim at the pool, and have a nice dinner at a restaurant near home. Experience life in a resort city, drink a fantastic Turkish brew while watching the sunset and listening to the birds singing. What can be better than that? Depending on the type of apartment, it can fit 1 to 4 guests. After getting you settled into your hotel or apartment, our specialists will drive you to the Tolerance's head office for a meeting. They will introduce you to the directors, once again go over your preferences and confirm your choices, and depending on what you decide, might even change the apartments that you're set to view. This is because our main objective is to find an option that is perfect for you and not sell you what we see as the most convenient for us. I once again want to remind you that we operate under a no hidden commissions policy. It is honest and transparent, right from the start. For the entire duration of the searching process, you will be escorted by our specialists that will be able to consult you on any matters, tell you more about the best places to purchase in, which district to pick from to move with your family and kids, which district to choose from if you wish to invest, or which district to choose from if you intend to resell it in the future. What should you pay attention to when purchasing a property? First of all, you should pay attention to the district you are choosing, its infrastructure, its proximity to schools and universities, if you're moving with kids that is, or the distance to the beach and the city center if you want to secure an income by renting it out. The property's price, of course, depends on many factors, whether it is a detached house or a big residential complex with swimming pools, kids' playgrounds, gyms, saunas, and fitness centers. It also depends on the quality of the materials used, insulation, the quality of the household appliances that are built in, and of course the gross area. The higher the floor, the higher the price tends to be, mostly because of the better views. The last step of the deal is checking over the documentation for the chosen property and signing the sales and purchase agreement for it. In order to do this, we invite the property owner to our office, help you negotiate the best price for it, look over all the documents for your security, carry out an inspection of the property of your choice, draft the sales and purchase agreement for it, and open up a bank account if you need one. We also guarantee you a professional assistance with obtaining the tapu, or the title deed for the property, the certificate of ownership in Turkey. Moreover, our company can aid you with connecting the property to utilities like water, electricity, and gas, as well as help you pick furniture and household appliances. Tolerance can also help with applying for a residence permit in Turkey or the citizenship of Turkey if going through the property investment route. How do we book this tour? You can do so by calling the number on WhatsApp, the one that you see on your screen right now, or by filling out the form for signing up for this tour at this link on our website. Don't worry, we will do the rest. Are you already in Turkey? Then you just have to contact us. We'll send out a car to meet you, introduce you to our company, and arrange a property viewing for you. When we meet with a person, first of all, we try to find out the reasons for the purchase. What goals do they have? Do they want to use it during vacation? Or do they want a residence permit as a result of the purchase? Do they want profit? Or are they just buying this for their relatives? Meaning that before we show anything to our clients, we spend quite a bit of time with them to understand their true intentions and true needs. And only after that do our specialists start with the process of picking properties, suggesting them, and arranging property viewings. So to reiterate, a professional agency tries to, first of all, understand their client, and only then we can recommend them districts or property developers, any other things, or any other advice based on our experience accumulated over 20 years working in this industry and living in Turkey. But this all depends on our client's budget, of course. And considering that we value every single client and care about our reputation, we will hear the person out and only then offer them options that we believe would suit them the most. We are very eager to welcome you on this tour. This is your chance to see the city, various residential complexes, and the available properties with the best quality to price ratio, all with Turkey's leading real estate agency, Tolerance. Leave a comment to let us know what topics you would like us to touch on next. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Life in Turkey, to always receive up-to-date information about Turkey straight from professionals.
Subscribe to our channel and get the best professional advice.